Breakfast in Trabzon makes you feel that you have fulfilled your inner peace. The warmth of the tea here can be felt in people's hearts and their hospitality. Here is the highest point in Trabzon. Why would you buy a property in Trabzon? I'm gonna tell you why. Wherever your sight goes in Trabzon, you will see the beauty in mountains, sea, fresh air, and quietness. The cornerstone of Trabzon is Uzungöl Lake. The idea itself between two mountains is really remarkable. Wow! Rafting is one of the special sports here. When you come to Trabzon, you gotta try it, trust me. Nature is the first and the basic aspect of this city. Look. Hi. How are you? Good? Thanks. As Trabzon is a coastal city, first thing that comes to your mind is seafood. And this restaurant was nominated to us. We'll see how good it is. Trabzon is not only nature, their culture strongly exists here. To own a property in Trabzon, with its marvelous views of mountains and sea, kindly contact IMTILAK Real Estate.